Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make 3 dishes or snacks with cassava or yuca. You will need cassava, of course. You also need chopping board. If you don't have, that's fine. You need a knife. That's all you need, guys. That's all. Are you ready? Let's go. So we will start by cutting the ends of the cassava. You don't need that. And then you split your cassava into 2 or 3, and then you cut it as I'm doing it and taking out the skin or the peeling. You will sometimes find it difficult to peel your cassava, but don't worry about it. Just peel it as you can. But you have to know that when you buy a good cassava, like going to have a good taste, then the peeling is easy for the peeling to come out. But when it's a little difficult for the peeling to come out, just know that your cassava is not going to have a good taste as a good one. I'm not saying that you should trash it, but just for you to differentiate with a good cassava and a bad cassava. When you are done cutting your cassava, you can split it into two as I'm doing, or you can boil it full as it is. It is all about your choice. Make sure you rinse or wash your cassava 2 times before cooking your cassava. And guys, we don't need salt when boiling the cassava. Some people use coconut milk, but in this case, we are not going to use coconut milk, just water. First step is ready. You can eat this with your spinach sauce. I have a video on how to make spinach sauce to accompany this with it. The link is above here. And if not, you can eat it with any sauce and enjoy. Our first snack, make sure your cassava is cold. You don't need your cassava to be hot. So we are going to take out the roots in between the cassava and cut it into pieces. It must not be into little pieces, just normal pieces as I'm cutting and putting in a bowl. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Share, comment, and like. When you are done cutting it, you put your water and it's all good to go. You can wait for 10 to 20 minutes before eating it because you want your cassava to be soft. In my dialect, we call this osambo. I don't know how to translate it. But if you've had this before and you have a different name, please write it in the comment section so we all can learn. Some people eat this with coconut. If you don't have coconut, you can eat it like this. It's all good. Change the water every day because if you leave it without changing it, it's going to ferment and it's going to be as if you are trying to make fufu. It's time for testing. Don't use a fork. No. Spoon, no. You're disrespecting this. Use your hand. You don't need to drink the water. All you need is to take out the yuca. Same procedure. Take out the roots. And you cut it in this size. You can do it as you want, but I always prefer to cut it with this size. And when we are done cutting them into pieces as it is, we are going to add a little bit of salt. If you're someone that loves a lot of salt, you can put it. Now it's time to fry. Yes, we're ready and we're good to go. This is a snack that you can eat as your breakfast. You can eat it when you are bored and you want to be entertaining your mouth, or you have visitors and you don't want to cook a lot. This is something fast that they can eat, or your kids, or anybody in general. This is the end result of the fried yuca or cassava, as you prefer to call it. It looks good, guys. It looks good, and trust me, The taste is Now it's time for testing. So I had ranch over here to test it with, and guys, I'm not going to lie to you, it was perfect. It was oh god. Try, guys, and let me know in the comment section, please. If you don't have ranch, you can use any type of sauce of your choice. I had to give my hubby a little bit, but he's not a yuca person, so all for myself. Watch me as it's going down. It's going down, 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 down. So you already know what to do with your yuca or your cassava. Whenever you see it at a store, you can buy one and try it. Fry them, boil it, use it as osambo, as you want, guys. Very, very good and delicious. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.